DW-20 provides lower earth-moving costs and greater margins of profit. In fact, many claims have been made for this machine when it's matched to the bottom dump W-20 wagon, the number 20 scraper, or the side dump PD-20 trailer. These claims have been made for a machine that is engineered and built by the largest and oldest manufacturer of diesel engines, tractors, motor graders, and earth-moving equipment. The DW-20 is the only high-speed machine of its kind built entirely by one manufacturer. This control of design and manufacture results in many benefits to the operator as well as the owner. The DW-20 has been built for the operator. By making his job easier, less operator fatigue results and production increases. The operator rides on a foam rubber seat. All of the controls are conveniently located to reduce operator fatigue. Positive all-weather starting is assured by the gasoline starting engine, which preconditions the diesel. The use of a 6-volt motor makes starting a fast, simple operation. The starting engine turns over the diesel, warms it, and provides full pressure lubrication before the diesel actually starts. The Caterpillar diesel engine was designed and built specifically for the unit it powers. Smooth, power-assisted steering makes the DW-20 easier to steer than the average automobile. The design of the tractor allows short radius turns to be made at maximum speeds. By use of the individual wheel brakes, shorter turns can be made where areas are limited. A constant mesh transmission permits easy shifting on the go. An air booster on the heavy-duty clutch takes the work out of shifting. 5 forward speeds are balanced to the engine horsepower and capacity of the unit. High speeds to suit the application decrease cycle time. Fast speeds are usable with the DW-20 because of its excellent roadability. The oscillating front wheel suspension levels out the ride and prevents any twisting of the main frame. Excessive overloads of one front wheel and tire are prevented. Usable fast speed increases production with minimum operator fatigue. However, the DW-20 was not only built for the operator's comfort and ease of operation, but for his safety. Oversized air brakes allow the operator to stop safely within the length of the machine. When the brakes are applied, the trailing unit brakes first, reducing the tendency to jackknife. The operator is further protected by the heavy-duty hitch. Large steel stops limit the movement of the hitch without interfering with short radius turns. The operator has at his disposal individual wheel brakes. By braking one drive wheel, the machine can travel through bad footing. The spinning wheel is stopped while the other wheel pulls the unit through. Designing the DW-20 for the operator means it has been designed for the owner, too. Owners have their choice of 3 trailing units. The Caterpillar W-20 wagon has a strut capacity of 17 yards and a heaped rating of 25 yards to ensure high production. These ratings can be increased by the use of sideboards. Loaded by an elevating grader, or through a hopper, or by shovel or drag line, the W-20 wagon has two main advantages: large capacity and fast, controlled dumping on the fill. The load is dumped cleanly and quickly through two doors in the bottom of the wagon. The doors may be opened or closed at any time, whether the unit is stationary or in motion. A hydraulic ram permits the doors to be opened to any position to regulate the speed of dumping. After the ram moves back, raising the doors, the operator locks them in place, preventing any leakage of the load. The variable door opening permits a wide, thick windrow in a short length of spread, or a narrow, thin spread when the doors are partly opened. If job requirements call for dumping over the edge of a fill, the AFE PD-20 side dump trailer can be matched with the DW-20. A three-stage hydraulic ram tilts the body, dumping the material free of the tires. A low center of gravity and good balance make fast, on-the-go dumping a safe operation. The PD-20 is an easy target for loading. Designed to handle both rock and dirt, it will carry 30 tons at high speeds. Where job conditions call for scraper operations, the CAT number 20 scraper can be matched to the DW-20. It features a high apron lift and a positive dump type ejector. This design ensures complete cleaning of the bowl regardless of the type of material. The ejector, apron, and bowl are engaged through the number 27 cable control mounted at the rear of the tractor. The scraper has a strut capacity of 15 yards and a heaped rating of 20 yards. Loading the scraper is a fast, efficient operation. The push plate is mounted well to the rear to protect the scraper tires. Cable operation means the scraper can be pump loaded in dead material. The right balance of power and capacity moves the load to the fill at maximum speeds. Positive ejection makes short work of dumping. load is quickly added to the fill, and the DW-20 heads back to make another profit-making cut. With the addition of sideboards, the capacity can be increased to 23 yards when working in lighter material. Overhead loading with shovel or drag line allows the scraper to fill in on wagon jobs. Whether your job calls for the use of wagons loaded by an elevating grader, shovel or drag line, side dump trailers, or scrapers, arrange for an on-the-job demonstration and prove to yourself that the Caterpillar DW-20 can provide lower earth-moving costs and greater margins of profit.